unboxing video from Box Mountain showing the MakerBox Everything subscription plan for February of 2022. Of course, you always get some fluff like stickers and candy, and this one also has a small insert from one of the manufacturers. And first off here is the easy part of the Explorer plan, which you can order separately. This is the Jessie from Printed Solid, and you get 4 colors of that. The sample size for all the samples is about 16 meters. Onto the Explorer box, the first one here is Gizmodork's ABS Low Odor, and that is their gray color. And you can see a nice close-up there. And next is Protopasta's Matte Fiber Daffodil, which is kind of a wood textured. It's rough. It has literal fiber in there. It's great for textured pieces. Snow Labs PCCF, and that's in the black. And you can see the quality there and a nice color. And last is Hello 3D Glitter-Filled Rainbow PLA. This is color progressive. It goes from red to green to orange, or an amber, I guess. This sample is, you can see the red and green in there. It's very difficult to get sample sizes of a rainbow shifting filament, but that has a good one, small enough that it comes over in only 16 millimeters. And that is the conclusion here. Look for more of our videos and like and share and subscribe. Thank you.